Hi guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up payments on Wix website. So let's start. First, open your Wix dashboard. And then you will see at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on Manage. Now, go to Business Settings. Now, from Business Settings, you can see the business info and accept payments. Now, select Accept Payments. But before you can actually add your payment method, you have to confirm your business location. And then, just tap on Confirm. You can now select payment methods. You can choose PayPal if you want, just tap on Connect. But if you want to have cash on delivery, just tap on Manual Payments. You can also tap on this for more payment options. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.